Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? At our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course, and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching, and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly, right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they not only focusing on study, they are also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. So today is the last day of this Salesforce session. So I'll let you know about the exam, okay, and about next program which we are going to start. So today we have exam at 8 o'clock, 8 to 8:40. So after that, I will update all the things. For now, we'll continue with the session. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining. So Himanshu, you can take up the class.
Yeah, thank you, Chandana. Yeah, so good evening, guys. How are you all? Yeah. So guys, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so guys, can you tell me, is my screen visible to you? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to take one scenario. Okay. And what's my requirement? I want to create multiple page. Okay. In last class, I taught you how can we insert the data on click of button. Okay. From Visualforce page, how can we insert the data? Okay. Today, I'm going to insert the data. Okay. What's my requirement? I want to create page. Okay. Multiple page I want to create. So first page I want to create for account object. There I want to display account details. Okay. So I want to display some fields of the account like account name, type, rating, number of employees. Okay. There will be one button, next button. Okay. User can come and user can enter the account details, name, type, rating, number of employees. Okay. There will be one button, next button. If user is clicking on next button, okay, if user is clicking on next button, I want to open the second page on click of next button. Okay. On second page, I want to display contact details. Okay. On contact object, I want to display first name, last name, phone and email field. Okay. These four fields I want to display on contact object. Okay. User can come, user can enter first name, last name, phone, email. Okay. There will be two buttons on contact page. One will be next, sorry, one will be previous, second will be next. Okay. User can come and they can click on previous and next button. Okay. If user is clicking on previous button, so I want to open the account detail page. Okay. If user is clicking on previous button, I want to open account detail page. If user is clicking on next button, what I want to open the next page. Okay. I want to open the next page. Account details. Okay. Here there will be some fields of the opportunity. Opportunity name. Okay. Stage name, close date. These fields are the mandatory in opportunity object. Okay. Fourth field, I want to populate the data in amount field also. Okay. Now on opportunity object, there will be two button, previous and next. Okay. If user is clicking on previous button from opportunity detail page, I want to open the contact details. If user is clicking on next button, Okay, so I want to open the final page. On click of button, I want to open the final page. There, I'll display account details. Okay, in view mode, whatever the data I have entered, okay, in account, that account details I want to display in view mode. Okay, contact detail, opportunity details. In which mode? In view mode. Okay, there will be 4 button. I want to add 4 button. Okay, what will be the button name? First is edit account. Second button name will be edit contact. Okay, third button name edit opportunity. Okay, so these button I want to create. Okay, and final button which I want to create, that will be the save button. Okay, so guys, it's my requirement. If user is clicking on edit contact, so this page should be open. Contact, sorry, edit account page. If user is clicking on edit contact, so contact page should be open. If user is clicking on edit opportunity, opportunity page should be open. In edit mode, we can modify the data. Okay, but on click of save button, these information should be saved into database. Okay, account, contact, and opportunities should be created, and contact and opportunities should be associated with this account. Okay, whatever account information I'm entering, okay, from that account, these record, contact and opportunity record, should be linked, should be associated. Okay, it's my requirement. So guys, do you have any doubt? What's my requirement? What's the question? First tell me, do you have any doubt in question? What's my requirement? No, sir. Perfect. Yeah. Now guys, tell me how many Visualforce page I have to create. Yeah, according to Sangram Patil, 4. Perfect. Okay. So guys, how many Visualforce page I have to create? 4 page. Perfect, guys. So all participant is saying 4. Perfect. So I'm going to create 4 Visualforce page. Perfect. Account details, contact details, opportunity details, and fourth one is output page. Okay. Clicking on setup, developer console. I'm going to open the console screen. Okay. What I'm doing, I'm creating one page, new Visualforce page. Okay. I'll create 4 page. Now what we have to do on click of next button, we'll write the logic. We'll redirect on, or we can say we will navigate on contact page. From contact, we'll navigate on opportunity. From opportunity, we'll navigate on detail page. Okay. So guys, I want to know how many controller we will create here. How many Apex class will create? Okay. So on final page, we have to display account detail, contact detail, opportunity details. All information we have to display on final page. Okay. So how many controller we have to create? How many class we have to create? We'll create only one class. Okay. We'll create only one class because all details, account, contact, and opportunity details should be available in a class. Okay. That's why we can display the information on one page. Okay. So what will I do? I'll create only one class, and same controller I'll use in account page, contact page, and opportunity page. Okay, same controller. Okay. So guys, what I'm doing first, I'm going to create one class also. Okay, name I'm writing wizard CTRL controller. Okay. After creating the class, I'm going to create 4 page. Okay. Guys, you can tell me what should be the page name. Page 1, 2, 3, 4 should I write, or account page, contact page, opportunity page? Okay, any name you can write. If you want to write page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, you can write it. Okay, everyone is saying account page, contact page. Okay, so I'm going to write the Visualforce page name as a account page. Okay, first page has been created. Now I'm going to create this second page. Okay, contact page. Okay, I'm going to create third page. New Visualforce page. Opportunity page. Okay, final page is the output page. New Visualforce page. Okay, output page. Okay, going to copy this controller. Okay, copy this class name. So what I want in every Visualforce page, in all Visualforce page, I want to use same controller. Okay, same class I want to use. So guys, can you tell me how can we add Apex class in Visualforce page? Okay, guys, please tell me how can we add class in Visualforce page? Okay, so Sivanand Patil Sav. Okay, Apex in Apex page tag will use controller tag, controller attribute. Perfect. Yeah, good. Good, Manisha, Sangram. Yeah, Karthik, good. Aquila, good. Okay, so in Visualforce page, we have to add controller attribute. Controller equal to class name. Perfect. Okay, so in every page, I'm going to add the Apex class. I'm going to add the controller. Okay, so let me reopen the opportunity page again. File, open, We have to open Visualforce page. Which page? Opportunity one. Okay, let me save it. Yeah, all page has been saved. Now what I'm doing, coming to the class and going to check the functionality. What's my requirement? We have to store account information. First step, we have to store account information. So guys, how can I store account information? In first page, there is name, type rating, number of employees field. These information we have to store somewhere else in Apex class. So what will I do? How I'll store name, type rating, number of employees information. Wait. How will I store name, type, rating, and employees information? YouTube participants, you can also write the message. Okay, Akshara. Okay. So some participant is saying object, but one participant is saying list of account. Okay. One participant is saying list of account. So we have to store only one object information. Okay. One detail only. At a time, how many details we can take? Only one details. Okay. User can come and user can enter only one account details. Okay. So we don't have multiple account details. We have not to store multiple account information. Okay. So guys, we will not use list here. We'll use only account. Okay. We'll create account type of variable. Okay. When we use list, if you have to store same type of data, same type means list of account. There we have one object is account, second is contact, third is opportunity. We have three objects, but type is different. Object type is different. Okay. List, sorry, account, contact, and opportunity. Object type is different. We don't have same object. Okay. So we will not use the list here. What we will do, we'll create three variable. One is account type, second is contact type, and third one is opportunity type. Okay, guys. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create one variable, public account ACC, to store account name, type, rating, industry. We'll create only account type of variable. If you want to store contact information, create contact type of variable. Okay, public contact con. If you want to store opportunity information, create opportunity type of variable. Public opportunity OPP. Get set. Okay. So guys, do you have any doubt why we are creating three variable? No. Perfect. Okay. So guys, now I want to know. Okay. I have created three variable. ACC con opportunity. These are the primitive variable or non-primitive variable. ACC, CON, and OPP. These are the primitive variable or non-primitive. Okay. So these are non-primitive variable. So when we create non-primitive variable as a global, so what we do, we initialize it. Where we initialize? In a constructor. So guys, I'm going to create one constructor, and inside the constructor, I'm going to initialize it. I'm going to create the memory. Okay, age is equal to new account. Okay, for non-primitive variable, we need to create the memory. So what's the good approach? Create the memory in a constructor. Initialize inside the constructor. Okay. So guys, controller, okay, controller logic I have written. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the ACC variable. So come to the first Visualforce page and create one form, Apex form, and write the logic here. Okay. So going to create the section header. Title and subtitle. Okay, what should be title? Account page. Going to create one page block. Inside the page block, what I'm doing, I'm going to create the button. Page block button. On header and footer, I want to display the button. Okay, so page block button. And inside the page block button, I'm going to write the button name. For that, we have command button. Value, what should be the button name? Write the button name. Next. Okay, I'm going to give the color. Okay, so I'm going to give the style. So for that, we can use color, that is black, button color. What should be the background? Okay, enter the background. Okay, so header I have added. I have created one block, one box. Inside the box on header and footer side, I have added the button. Okay, you can preview it. Okay, one box, on box, header and footer side button, next button, and account page section header. Okay, guys, any doubt in page till here? Okay, it's the simple page. Do you have any doubt till here in Visualforce page? No, perfect. Okay, button I have added. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to add the field. So guys, for that we have Apex input field, which you can use. Okay, value equal to, I want to display name field. So you can write acc.name. So let me check the functionality. Am I getting field? Or yes, I'm getting one field, but I'm not getting the label name. So please write it inside the page block section. After that, I'll get the label name. Okay, I'm getting account name. So going to write other field also. Name, type, rating, industry. Four fields I'm going to add here. Okay, clicking on again preview button and going to check the functionality. Okay, what I'm getting account name, type, rating, industry. Okay, so first page has been created. What I want, name, type, rating, industry on first page and next button. So first Visualforce page has been created. It's the code. Okay, guys, if you have any doubt in this complete Visualforce page in any line, so you can ask me. In Apex class, there is one variable ACC in which we can store account type of data. These are the fields. Okay. In any line, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. If you don't have any doubt, so what I'm doing, I'm going to create contact page. Okay. So coming to the contact, what I'm doing, I'm going to create one form. Okay. Then I'm going to create one section header. Test will start from at 8 o'clock. Okay. After this scenario, will you teach Apex triggers concept? Apex trigger I can't complete in 2-3 hours. For that I need 8 hours. Okay, Apex section header. I'm going to write title, subtitle. Okay, title, contact page. So on contact, how many buttons I have to create? I have to create 2 buttons. So what I'm doing, first I'm going to create page block. Okay. And inside the page block, I'm going to create page block buttons. Apex command button. Button name, I'm going to write the button name. First button name is previous. Okay, going to add the style. So color should be black and background, it should be yellow. Okay, next button I want next. Okay, 2 button I want to add previous and next. I have added. Why the Apex form is needed? To create contact details. Okay, Apex form is the parent tag. There is nothing. If you are creating button, okay, command button. So command button is the child tag of Apex form. Okay, so without Apex form tag, you can't use this tag. Okay, you cannot access. Like if you want to write the code in a page, okay, in Visualforce page. So Apex page is the root tag, parent tag. Everything you will write inside the Apex page tag. Okay, same way we have Apex form. It's the parent tag of command button, input field, input text. That's why I'm using it. Okay, like if you want to use table row, table header, th, tr. So these are the child tag of table tag. Okay, so without table tag, you can't use tr. Okay, th tag. Okay, so 2 buttons I have created. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to create one section in which I want to add the field. So page block section and going to add 4 field. Input field. Value equal to con dot first name. So in contact, I want to display 4 fields: first name, last name, phone, email. Okay, let me preview it. So what I'm getting contact page. On contact page, there are 2 buttons. Okay, previous and next. So what I want, on click of previous button, I want to open the contact page. If I'm clicking on next page, so what I want to open the opportunity page. Okay, it's my requirement. So it's second Visualforce page. Okay, contact page. So guys, do you have any doubt in second page? Okay, no, perfect. Okay, in same way, I'm going to create the opportunity page. Okay, in same way, I'm going to create the opportunity page. So what I'm doing, Apex form. Okay, Apex section header, title, subtitle. What should be the title? Opportunity page. Okay, then what I'm doing, I'm going to create one box, that is page block. Inside the page block, I want to add button. So how can we add the button? We have page block buttons. On header and footer, we can add the buttons. Okay. Command button, value. That is previous. Okay. Want to give the style. Style. Color, you can add black. Text color, background. I want in yellow color. Okay. So going to add the background. So previous button I have created. Now going to create the next button. So I'm changing the label name, means value. Okay, previous next. Now inside the page block, what I'm doing, I'm going to display the fields. So for that, I'm going to create page block section. Okay. Apex input field. And on opportunity object, I want to display three fields. So opp dot name. Okay, name, stage name, close date, and amount. These are the mandatory. Sir, you are creating opportunity page on output page. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay, that logic we have to write on opportunity page. Yeah, thanks Sangram and Sivanand. Okay, so I have saved it. Now I'm going to preview it. Let me save it again. Preview it. Okay, what I'm getting, previous and next button on opportunity page. Okay, so if you want to display only this column equal to 1, okay, only one field you want to display only. That time you can write column 1. Opportunity name, stage, close date, amount. Okay, one participant is asking, I want to display only one field, one by one. So columns equal to 1, you can write. By default, you will get 2 fields. Okay, so 3 page I have created. Okay, now I want to link the page. Okay, if I am on account page and clicking on next button, so what I want to open the contact page, second Visualforce page. Okay, we have to link. It's the account page. Contact page. Okay, opportunity page. So I want to link it. How can I open the contact page from account? Okay, so we will write the logic. So what I'm doing, inside the Apex class, I'm going to create one method. On click of button, what we do, we call method. Public void contact, open contact method. Okay, open contact method. So when user will click on next button from account, so I want to open the contact. Okay, so how can we open the contact? So what we will do, we'll add the Visualforce page name in URL. Okay, Visualforce page is URL based. So add the Visualforce page name in URL, then you can open the page. Okay, how can we create the base URL, guys? Please tell me, how can we create base URL? What code I need to write in Apex class to create the base URL, to generate the base URL? In last class, I taught you, okay, what we have page reference to get the base URL. Okay. So with the help of page reference, I'll get the base URL. What I'm doing in base URL, I'm going to add the Visualforce page. Okay. In base URL, I'm going to add the Visualforce page. So slash write the Visualforce page name. So basically Visualforce page name are available in Apex class. Okay. So slash Apex, in Apex, there is one Visualforce page. What is the name of the Visualforce page? Contact page. Okay. So when we will use the page reference, we have to return it. Return PG, variable name. What is the data type of the PG? Page reference. So instead of void, we have to write the return variable data type. That is PG, page, and in variable name you can write. Okay. So guys, it's a way to call the other Visualforce page. When we have to call contact page, if I am clicking on next button on account page. Okay. So perfect. If I am on account page, if I'm clicking on next button, so which page we have to open? Contact page. Successfully, I'll be able to open it. Okay. Let's suppose I'm on contact page. If I'm clicking on previous button, so which page I'll open? On click of previous button of contact page, which page I will open? Account page. Perfect, guys. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create one method. Okay. And what is the method name? Open ACC method. Which page should we open? Account page. Okay. Let's suppose I'm clicking on next button from contact page. So what I want to open the opportunity page. For that, what I'm doing, I'm going to create another method, that is open opportunity method. Which page we have to open? Opportunity page should be open. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm coming to the contact page. On click of previous button, we have to call account method. We have to open the account method. So this one I'm going to call. Okay. If I'm clicking on next button, that time open opportunity method. Okay. Now coming to the opportunity page. Okay. I'm on opportunity page. If I'm clicking on previous button, so guys, which page I have to open? On click of previous button. Okay. Going to add the action. Which page I have to open? I have to open contact page. Perfect, guys. For that, we have open con method. Okay. If I'm clicking on next button, which page I have to open? I have to open the final page, that is output page. Okay. So for that, I'm going to create another action. Sorry, another method. Okay. Open output method. Okay. So instead of opportunity, I want to open the output page. Okay. Now coming to the opportunity page, and what I'm doing here, I'm going to add the action. Okay, open output method. Perfect. For every button, functionality is working fine. Okay, so if you want to check the functionality, you can check it. I'm going to open the account page and going to check the functionality. Everything is working fine on. Okay, so I'm on account. I'm on account page. What I'm doing, I'm entering the data. Okay. Click on next button. You can see I am able to navigate on contact page. Clicking on next button. I'm getting opportunity page. First opportunity, close date, stage. Okay. Here I can enter the amount. So if I click on next page, I'll get the output page also. Okay. So on output page, there is no button. So what I'm doing first, I'm checking. Previous button is also working or not. So on click of previous button, you can see I'm on contact page. Again, click on previous button, account page. Okay. So all the functionality is working fine. Now what I have to do, I have to create the final page, output page. Okay, coming to the output page. On output page, what I have to do, I have to display the information. Okay, Apex form. Inside the Apex form, I'm going to create one section header. Okay, title and subtitle I'm going to write. Okay, so what should be the title? Output page. Going to save it. Okay, going to create one page block. Okay, and going to write the, going to create the button. Okay, inside the page block buttons. How many buttons I have to create? I have to create 4 buttons. How can we create the button? Command button. We have value. First button name, edit account. So guys, tell me, if I'm clicking on edit account button, so which method I have to call? Yeah. So account one we have to call. So let me copy the open ACC method. Okay. So if I'm clicking on edit account, open ACC method should be called. Okay. Now going to create 4 button. Edit account, edit contact, edit opportunity. Final one is save button. Okay. So guys, if I'm clicking on save button, what I want, data should be saved. Okay. So for that, we have one method, that is save method. Okay. So I'm going to call the save method, which are in Apex class. So first coming to the Apex class. Okay. And going to create one save method. So public void save method. What we have to do, we have to save the record. So all records should be saved. How can we save the record? Insert ACC, insert on, insert opportunity. 3 records should be created on click of save button. Okay, guys, what I want before inserting the contact record, I want to link it with account object. So con dot account ID, it should be acc dot id. Okay, whatever the ID of account will get after inserting, that I'm passing in contact. Okay, and same things I'm doing in opportunity. Before inserting the opportunity, I want to pass the account ID. I want to link it. So acc dot id. Okay, so record will be inserted. Account, contact, and opportunity. They will be linked with this line. From this line, they will be linked. They will be associated. Okay, so this method I'm calling. Coming to the output page, save method. Okay, on click of save button, I also want to redirect. Okay, I also want to redirect. How can we redirect on detail page? We have page reference. Okay, after inserting the opportunity, I want to redirect it. So what I'm doing, acc.id, and return type, I'm going to change it. Okay, with the help of page reference, I am generating the base URL, and in base URL, I'm passing the record ID. So what will happen on click of save button, I will redirect on detail page. Okay, so I'm coming to the output page. Buttons I have created. Now what I want to display the information in output mode, in view mode. So going to create page block section. Okay, title name you can write, account details, and going to create the field. So for that we have output field. Same, we have output field like input field, acc.name. Okay. So I want to display four information: name, type, rating, industry. Simple, going to save it. Okay, so I have created this section. Inside this section, I have added four field. Same way, I want it for contact, object, and opportunity object. Okay, so for contact, I want to display first name, last name, phone, email. Okay, so con dot first name, last name, phone, email. And for opportunity, I want to display the data in view mode. Okay, opportunity name, stage, close date, and then final one is amount. Let me save it. Okay, it's the stage name. Okay, so four fields I have created, displaying data in view mode. Okay, so guys, what I'm doing now, I'm going to preview this page and going to check the functionality. All functionalities are working fine or not. Okay, so populating the data in account object. Okay, skill lab. Account name I mentioned. Okay, clicking on next button. First name, Okay, clicking on next button, opportunity page. Okay, clicking on next button. What I'm getting final page. Okay, account details, contact details, opportunity details. All details I'm getting in view mode. Okay, and getting for button. If you want to edit the account, click on edit account button. If okay, what will happen? We'll get the account page. If I'm clicking on edit contact, what I'm getting, that time also I'm getting account page. Okay, so I have to do some changes. Okay, open con method, open opp method. Okay, and guys, one thing also. Okay, when I'll click on save button, what will happen? Record will be saved into database and I'll redirect on detail page. Okay, on click of save button, record has been created. Skill lab. Along with skill lab record, one contact has been created, one Varun Patil and opportunity also. And you can see contact and opportunity both are associated. Okay, contact and opportunity both are associated. Okay, so guys, finally this scenario has been completed. If you have any doubts, so you can ask me. Okay, it's the complete code. I have created 4 Visualforce page, 1 controller. Okay, logic I have written inside the controller, and UI I have created in Visualforce page. Okay, functionality is working fine. Okay, so guys, if you want to practice it, you can watch the video. Okay, you don't need to take the screenshot for this. Okay, so guys, okay, I have done now. Okay, it's now you have to give the exam. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Himanshu, for your wonderful sessions. These are 15 days. Yeah, I'm going to conduct the exam. If you want, you
Yeah.
can leave.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you guys for joining my session. Bye bye. Take care and best
Yeah,
wishes
thank
for
you
your
so
future.
much. So, students, be ready. I'm sharing the assessment link, okay, in both YouTube and Zoom. Just a give me a second. So, we are starting at 8 o'clock. Up to 8:40, you have a time, okay? Before that, you have to complete it before 8:40. I'm not going to give at least 1 minute also extra. So make sure you have to submit before 8:40. Thank you. So 2 more minutes. Please submit your test before 8:40. After that, I have an update. So yeah, I'm going to share. I'm going to share. I'm going to share a top 10 list, and before that, I'm going to share career counseling form and guidance information form. Who is having any doubt regarding your career, like which step I have to take and which course I have to take, which is useful to my career? So, what is that trendy course going on? So, for that purpose, I'm sharing this. Please fill your details. Okay, my team will connect with you and they will help you according to that. So yes, it's 8:40. I hope all are done with your test. Meanwhile, I will share top 10 also. Please fill this career counseling form. Okay, if you submitted exam means I'm sharing career counseling form. Yes, wait everyone. I will explain everything. Just be patiently, okay? So I hope everyone giving your details in that form. So after that, I will share GMB review links. So everyone, please give your valuable feedback in that. Like how was the session, how it went, what you learned. Okay, everything. So it will help us, and that's a mandatory thing. Okay, I'm sharing that also in chat. So here we have Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra, Telangana, and other locations. Whoever belongs to Karnataka, you can give Karnataka, and Maharashtra people, Maharashtra, and Andhra people, Andhra, and Telangana is Telangana, and remaining states you can give to other locations. So this is a mandatory things. Please, I'm requesting everyone, please give your valuable feedback. So in YouTube also I'm sharing it. So I hope everyone is filling it. So please, I'm requesting everyone, please give your feedback. Meanwhile, I will share our top 10. So after this, I have an update regarding next program. So we'll discuss that also. And I'll share attendance link. Today we have attendance link as well. So I will receive certificates uh, after 7 working days. And do you have any queries? You can drop email to edl@excelor.com. My team will contact with you. Give me a second. I will share this top 10 list. So yes, I'm done. Let me share my screen. Yeah, this is our top 10 list. Congratulations, guys. Yeah, I have some questions in chat. So yeah, 2 minutes, I will share attendance link. Career counseling submission is mandatory or a GMB review is mandatory. So career counseling means if you have any doubts, you can ask in like you can fill your details in that. Our team will contact with you and they will solve your queries. GMB review link is this is a mandatory thing. Okay, you have to compulsory give your feedback here. Like how was the FDP like SDP sessions, how it went, how was the train now, all the things you can give. And I told that if you have any queries after that, you can contact with us with email. So I'm sharing that email also in the chat box. Please take it up. Yeah, remaining materials I will share. I will upload in LMS, no problem. So no need for a photo and all. You can give your feedback. That's fine. Okay. So everyone is waiting for attendance. I know that. I hope everyone done with your feedback GMB reviews. Please let me know in the chat box so that I will share your attendance link. If you want, I'm going to share again this feedback links. Yeah. So I'm expecting the same in YouTube as well. I have written exam in mobile. Is that fine? Yeah, that's fine. What's the next program? Yes. Our new program is mastering your minor and major project with real world case studies. Okay, like it's related to FSD, DS, and ML and AI. Okay, related to all these topics, like how we are going to work with a project, real world. So from Monday onwards, it is going to start. Okay, 5th August onwards. Yeah, I hope everyone done with that. I'm sharing attendance link again. So please fill your attendance. Yeah, only got 10 minutes to complete. Yes, no problem. You can fill your details in attendance. So, Manasa, because you submitted it like after 8:40, that's the reason it's coming like that. That's okay, no problem. Your assignment, like assessment, is not going to affect on your certificate. No problem. Okay, if you want, we will upload that paper also in LMS. You can get from there also. You can learn from there. But attendance is mandatory. Please mark your attendance. Don't miss it out. Yeah, our next program also, we are running 15 days, means 30 hours. Attendance percentage, you just drop an email to edl@excelor.com. They will let you know. Next program is starting from 5th onwards. So, Shravan, please drop in email to edl@excelor.com. Maybe your percentage is less. So, 60% is mandatory for the certificate. Ma'am, 15 days of hard work got waste or not give exam. That's okay, no problem. We are just checking your, knowledge. Okay, what you learn, no problem. We will upload the paper in LMS also. You can get from there, learn from there. Okay, no problem. It is not going to affect on your certificate. When I get certificate student training a program on Salesforce, so it will take 7 working days. After that, you will receive your certificate. Okay. So any more questions you can ask me? Ma'am, submit mail is different and given mail is different. No problem. Maintain only one email ID for attendance. Okay. For exam, you can give any other also. In which platform through we will get our certificate. So through your mail, you will receive your certificate. So yeah, like most of the people is asking about next program registration link. So I'm sharing it. So sorry for late. Through this link, you will register. You will get registration for the next program. How can we connect you for any issues or not receiving certificate? Just drop an email to edl@excelr.com. Please check it. No, there is no group for this. I'm not written the assessment, it will affect to certificate. No, no problem. I'm telling that there is no connection assignment or certificate. So only attendance we are considering for that. 60% attendance is mandatory for the certificate. Yeah, Hemakshi, tell me, what's your query? Ma'am, we are submitting any project? No, no. When my certificate issued, it will take 7 working days. After that, you will receive it. No, madam, the certificate has my college name or organization. No, no, only your name will be there. Yeah, give me a time, Janu. They will respond you. No problem. It will take 24 hours to respond. Is 10 top 10 guys eligible for certificate? No, it's not like that. Because we conducted an assignment, we have to show the results like who got top 10. So that's why we shared that one. No, like who have more than 60% attendance, so they will get certificate. So Shazia, I hope I cleared your query. New program is not registered, ma'am. Yeah, I'm sharing the link. You can register for that. No, no. Exam score is not printed on certificate. We are not mentioning your any assignments, marks, and that thing in certificate. Only your name we are mentioning in your certificate. Okay. Yeah, no need to submit assignment. We are giving only for your purpose, like practice purpose. That's it. How can we enroll new classes from LMS? Good question, Manikanta. So in LMS, you can see store option. So in store, you will get the new like new program. So from there, you have to enroll again. Till how much time LMS access? This is a lifetime access. You can access it like lifelong. No, no, not required any photos for the certificate. So yeah, I'm done. We'll meet for a new program on Monday. Up to then, take care. Ma'am, it is okay we write the exam with different mail ID but not with the registered email. Yeah, no problem, Vinu. Yeah, I'm done with this. So we'll wind and we'll close this program for today. So we'll meet on a new program day on Monday. Okay. Everyone, please inform your friends and okay, we'll meet on that.